Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go do just that. Also like this video and don't forget to click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now today I'm bringing back the Rain series of video, but this time around we're looking at Rain 5G. Now I have previously done videos on the normal Rain 4G, which you guys can go back and check those one out, but now we're going to be looking at Rain 5G, which is in this package that I have right here. Now the previous video of Rain 4G, the only thing we got was a Rain 4G card, but this time we have a Rain 5G card, and they also include a 5G router, which is the one that I'm actually showing you guys right now. I ordered this thing yesterday and I was able to pick it up today. Now I've only paid half of the amount that we normally charge. I think the package that I got is the 500 rands package. I only paid 200 because I have to use it, I think, and then pay the rest. But in this video we're going to be unboxing, show you guys what comes inside. Also we're going to be unpacking the SIM card itself and just talking a little bit about the device. And obviously this is a video where you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see me test on the Rain 5G, and obviously I want to know your experiences if you already have the device at home. Now before we continue with this video, I just wanted to thank MyUS for sponsoring this video. Now as most of you are actually already familiar with, MyUS is a boarding agent that I use to buy my tech when I can't find them in the country, or maybe in the country is really expensive. And obviously you can buy anything else. It doesn't necessarily have to be tech devices. Now because I'm a MyUS ambassador, and obviously I have that magic link that ambassadors get if you sign up using my unique link, which is always in the description down below, you're gonna be getting a 1-year premium membership, or as well as a 3 months business membership, all for free. And on top of that, there is also a discount code, which is PMHK20, also down in the description, that gives you a 20% off shipping when you sign up with my link and you ship your first package using MyUS services. And again, thank you to MyUS for supporting this channel. Now let's actually unbox this guy and check out what comes on the inside. Let's start with the anti-climaxing one, which is the little tiny guy here. This is most probably definitely the SIM card that I'm going to be putting on the 5G router. That's how routers actually, 5G routers work. They give you a SIM card and then you plug in the SIM card and you can use it in your router to distribute the Wi-Fi around. I'm pretty sure I can also use this guy on a mobile device, but that's not the reason we got it. So this is the SIM card, similar to Rain 4G SIM card. I actually like the see-through kind of SIM. But this thing is actually a little bit blurry. That's the correct terminology. But yeah, this is the SIM card itself, and that's basically what you get here on the SIM card side of things. It's chucked down on the floor. Now to unbox the Wi-Fi router itself, depending on which area of the continent you are, you're most probably gonna pronounce it differently. So yeah, unboxing knife nowhere to be found. We're going to have to improvise and cut the seal tape with this guy here. Now when you go and fetch it, you have two options. You can either wait for 3 days delivery, or you can go and fetch it. I went to the Sandton branch to pick this thing up. And when you pick it up, you have an option to open there so that they can check that everything is working. But because I wanted to unbox this thing, I told them not to open so I can open with you guys. Now, inside the box, before we jump inside, you have Rain 5G here, Rain 5G here. You have some sensitive information down here. And again, Rain 5G there, and the zero. I wonder what the zero actually means. If you guys know what the zero means, let me know now. Inside the box you have the Rain device itself. Let me show you guys how it looks. As the Rain itself, you have I mean, by the rain, I mean the Wi-Fi router itself, which seems to be upside down. And then you have some information here. It actually shows you where you put everything. So you have welcome to Rain 5G, SIM card goes there. This is the power button. Here's the reset button. The light shows your signal strength. Green is strong, yellow is moderate, and red is weak. Your Wi-Fi password is on the back. I need to be careful not to show you guys my Wi-Fi password. And put me by a window for best signal. So they're already telling you where you gotta put this guy if you want to have the best signal possible. Talking a little bit about signal, you will need to check first of all if your area is covered by rain, if you have signal in your area before you are actually able to buy. Because if there's no signal, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to use it. Now, in the past with Rain 4G, it's either you loved it or you hated it. And from what I can remember, opinions were actually split 50-50. Some really hated it because they had bad service, and the ones that actually had good service really liked the services that Rain offered because of the price is actually one of the cheapest available in South Africa. So that's what you get in the box. And here we have a nickel box with accessories. You have the power cord there, and you have an internet cable there. That's the famous RJ45 that goes maybe from the router to maybe a laptop. Okay, but you're gonna be able to use that for power cord. As chucked out on the side, cable thingies. That's what they call this. All right, so this side here you have the actual router. Let's get these guys on the side. Now to open it up, there we go. It's actually quite sleek. As you guys can see, you have the coverage there. Goes from 5G, 4G, and then there's the Wi-Fi light, and you have the power button there. You can also see in the bottom is where my information is. I'm most definitely gonna change the password and all those things, so I actually don't mind showing to you guys that under the device. It's actually pretty sick. You have LAN 1, LAN 2. This is where you connect your internet cable. You can connect this directly to a laptop or your desktop PC, depending on where this guy is. But yeah, you have the place where you put the SIM card under here, as I showed you guys, and you have something for test only. You can actually also, I think, reset. I don't know if that's a reset button. And you have a power button. Power button is below. Power button is under, and this is a WPS. So yeah, this is the preliminary unbox video. We have the Rain 5G SIM card here. This is the SIM that's gonna go inside here. And you have the actual device here. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is the video that we unboxed, and I get feedback from you guys in terms of what you want me to test this guy. If you have any question, go there also and ask. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this quick unbox video. As I mentioned, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do also just like this video and click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Thank you again to MyUS for sponsoring this video, and I am going to catch you guys on my next Rain 5G video or any video that's going to come. But yeah, peace.